Sorry, I was like, I'm hearing myself in my ears, and that can get disturbing sometimes. But with no further ado, y'all, Law Grayson, Dr. Grant, Mwamu Tutia, and Vaya Aetonu, with their talents combined, I give you Faiva!
Carson, Talofa! Unte manatu aso ma'u Tala umole fana o amatu Fa'ali umavoina yo manatu Hille masahis ona o Anima ya yes matani samomoli atua ina wala fale Ola ubele wale mafayala ufatua matatane Wa ubishia tawa wina matelo fama moe Tanse tani tomole uwafumani ya uyo Tanse tani tomole uwafumani ya uyo Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How's everyone doing today? If you're Samoan and feeling good, or if you're Samoan or you're Samoan at heart and feeling great, let me hear a big chihu. We are Faiva. I hope you folks are enjoying the day. What a gorgeous, gorgeous day to be Samoan and to celebrate our heritage. And what an honor it is for us to be up here today to share music from our beautiful islands of Samoa. I hope you folks enjoy that. Thank you so much. Right now, we're about to do a special song. We're going to feature Brother Grant here on the song called Lo Lupe Walele. This song weaves two traditions together, Samoan lyrics, Hawaiian tune. We hope you enjoy La Lupe Walele. La Lupe Walele, Leile Mama, Talo Fala Ubele, Ola Ubele Walele. Take so much. I love me too. I love you guys. Thank you so much to all our friends and family who came out here to support this beautiful event. This is our first time here at this park. My goodness, what a gorgeous, gorgeous park it is. And seeing all the beautiful faces out there and all the wonderful vendors feels so good to be out of COVID, thank God.
Amen.
And amen.
Amen.
Well, we released a brand new single this past year, a song called Valo Valo Mai. Right now, we'd like to perform this one for you. A song written by Benino Tiafao. In honor of them, we'd like to do this one. The family of the Benino Tiafao. MC today, the lovely Lulu from Island Block, ladies and gentlemen. Doing her thing, always representing us well. And also a round of applause for Miss B Royal, who performed for us earlier today.